Discover the best of Niagara's wine country with our exclusive Niagara-On-the-Lake Private Winery Tour from Niagara Falls. Perfect for business travelers, couples, or groups of friends, this tour promises an unforgettable experience. We start by picking you up from your hotel in Niagara Falls. Our comfortable, air-conditioned vehicle ensures a relaxing start to your day. Next, we head to Niagara-on-the-Lake for a private tour at Pillitteri Estates Winery, featuring a guided tour, vineyard exploration, and a premium wine tasting led by a senior expert. After the winery tour, enjoy 2 hours in Niagara-on-the-Lake, explore charming streets, boutique shops, and horse-drawn carriages. With its vibrant flowers, it's a place you'll want to linger. Next, connect with nature in a picturesque lavender field. Capture beautiful memories with numerous photo opportunities. After a memorable day, we drop you off at your hotel or B&B. Book your Niagara-on-the-Lake Private Winery Tour with ToNiagara today. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures.